What's happening, guys? Today, Rotary Stability, baby. This is where a lot of people go wrong. This is where a lot of people just wouldn't think. This is where imbalances are coming from. So pay attention quick, pay attention well. This is gonna go pretty quick. Follow me, 4 to 6 reps, each movement, each side. All right? We're gonna start off with our cat-cow, breathing. Strong exhale. When you exhale, you're going to round that back, suck that belly button into the spine, and slightly lean forward, pushing the ground away from you. Then you're going to inhale. Bend your shoulder blades, arch your back. That's 1 rep. We got 6 of these. All right, now, on all fours, we're gonna take one hand and we're gonna do our quadrupes rotation and rock back right there. 6 times, each side. Inhale on the way down, exhale, way up. Good, other side. Back and exhale. Rock back and exhale. Okay, now we got halos. So you're gonna get in your half kneeling position, inside the ankle, even with the inside of the knee. Grab it like such. Perfect freaking posture. Around and back is 1. We're gonna do 6 per side, nice and controlled. Driving that knee through the floor, keeping your spine long. And good. Other side. Inside the ankle, even inside the hip. And one. And all right, guys, we just did our 1 set of 6 per side for our half kneeling halos. Now we're gonna do our variation of a bird dog, which is what we're gonna do. Again, the objective here is to keep that torso nice and stable and the body lengthened out. run. And we are going to roll into our upper and lower body quadrant rolling. This stuff looks funny as all hell. You're going to totally relax your upper body. Totally relax your upper body. Stay relaxed as possible. Legs, arms relaxed. Back over. And last bit, arms. Four steps forward, 4 steps backwards. The whole idea is to get precise movement here and perfect timing. Controlled picking up off the ground, controlled touching. Up and down. That was a 1 minute set right there. So we shall work 1 more minute. Bear crawl, and we are good, ready to go to battle. You can even add diagonals. There you have it, guys. Rad, Rotary Stability, quick and effective. Great way to help piece your upper and lower body together so it starts functioning as one whole unit. That's Coach Kevin Cohan, co-owner Hit Fitness Warehouse in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Check me out and us out at Hit Fitness Warehouse on Instagram and Facebook tags, and at Coach Kojak for my personal page. Also, ton of YouTube informative videos. Please check out our YouTube. If you see something on there or any of the other social media feeds you dig, let us know. I promise you, we'll get more of them coming. Thanks, guys.